Hey gardeners! As summer winds down, it's the perfect time to think about your fall garden. September is a crucial month for planting fall crops that will thrive in the cooler weather. Today, we're diving into the best crops to plant in September for a bountiful late summer garden. Why plant in September? Well, fall gardening comes with a lot of perks. Cooler temperatures mean less stress on plants, fewer pests, and more consistent rainfall. Plus, many crops taste better when grown in cooler weather. Think sweeter carrots and crispier lettuce. Let's get into the top crops you should plant this month. Spinach. Spinach loves cooler temperatures and can even withstand light frosts. It grows quickly, making it an ideal crop for a September planting. Radishes. Radishes are one of the fastest growing vegetables, ready to harvest in as little as 25 days. Plant them now for a quick fall harvest. Carrots sown in September will mature in the cooler months, which makes them taste even sweeter. Make sure to choose a fast-maturing variety. Kale thrives in cooler weather, and the flavor improves after a light frost. It's a hardy crop that will keep producing well into the fall. Beets are another root crop that does well in the fall. They can be harvested as baby beets or left to mature fully. Don't forget, the greens are edible too. Lettuce. Lettuce varieties like romaine and butterhead are perfect for a fall garden. They grow fast and prefer the cool, shorter days of autumn. Broccoli is a cool weather crop that can be planted in early September for a late fall harvest. It takes a bit longer to mature, so getting it in the ground now is key. Now, let's talk about some tips for a successful fall garden. Prepare your soil. Make sure to enrich your soil with compost or organic matter before planting. This will give your fall crops the nutrients they need to thrive. Water wisely. September can still be warm in some regions, so consistent watering is key. Water deeply to encourage strong root growth. Protect young plants. If you're planting seeds or seedlings, consider using row covers to protect them from pests and temperature swings. Harvest regularly. Keep an eye on your crops and harvest regularly to encourage continued production, especially for leafy greens like spinach and lettuce. September is the perfect time to transition your garden into fall. With the right crops and a little care, you'll have a thriving garden well into the cooler months. So get out there, plant those seeds, and enjoy the fruits, well, veggies, of your labor. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips. See you in the next video.